first. Yo, YouTube, what's up? I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna be doing the Dom-based attack challenge from the Dom-based attacks room on TrackMe. It's pretty cool. It basically just goes over like Dom-based cross-site scripting, which says it right there. And it was a very good uh lesson to learn, I guess, because beforehand my Dom-based knowledge was very little. Afterhand, it's very much comparatively. But no, it was a lot of fun. So I just figured I'd go over on it. Oh, the yeah, track me is looking sketchy right now. But I'd finished earlier. I just have all my tabs still open from when I was going over it. Yeah, this tab fucked right here. This basically, yeah, this one saved me right here. Not really saved me, but yeah, taught me a lot about cross-site scripting. I don't really know much about cross-site scripting, to be honest. I'm not really good at coding in JavaScript either. Well, not good at it. I'd never code in JavaScript, so reading through all the JavaScript and learning how to make my own payloads and stuff was fun. And then learning how to like change the payloads around to get the fucking um local storage, like to pull from your local storage and send it back through a GET request to your server. It was cool. Anyways, so I'm gonna go through what I did and how I solved this challenge. And yeah, so when you open up the challenge, it tells you to go here, and your goal is to, what is the source field name that makes the application vulnerable to SSS or XSS? Source basically means your vector point of where you're going to be attacking. So when you come here, we can view in the debugger, and we can go to bdays.view, scroll up here, and it is the, oh, I mean, we don't have to go into here to look at it, but it's like when you come to here, you go to update. It's the title. I'm pretty sure. Wait, add bday. Oh, it's the person. I don't know why it says title in that thing, but when you add a person or a title, that's your vector for cross-site scripting. So, I think it's actually right here. Yeah. So v-html equals bday.person. If you come into the security uh view, so this is whether using view.js, view.javascript, you can actually search up v-html on here, and it says HTML injection. As you've learned earlier, Vue automatically escapes HTML content, preventing you from accidentally injecting HTML into your application. However, in cases where you know the HTML is safe, you can explicitly render HTML content using a template. So they use v-html to explicitly render our person right here, right? So they use it to explicitly render it. So they render it to the screen. So any JavaScript that's within this these parameters will be executed whenever you open the screen up. It'll automatically execute any JavaScript in the person parameters, right? So that was their mistake. I think that's the second answer. Yeah, that's the sync. So the sync would be, um, I guess I don't even know what the sync would be considered, but yeah. So that would be the sync for the view directive. And then, so I'll show you what I noticed. So when you press delete on a thing, you get a delete request here, and you can come to it. You can see, so in the headers here, you get delete HTTP secret equals not the real secret. So this is the ID of the birthday that we want to delete, and the secret is the secret that we want to figure out, right? So we come back to inspect. I don't know why I just closed it out, but zoom back in here. We can search for secret, and then we come here. So remove bday. So your goal is to remove all the bdays. If I'm assuming you already know this, but what is the value of the flag that you receive once you delete all the bdays? So yeah, our goal is to delete all the bdays, right? So we come in here, we see var secret. So we're setting a variable named secret is equal to local storage.get item secret. So it goes to your local storage of your browser and gets the item called secret. It gets the value of it, right? and it places that into the variable, and then it appends that to the path. So secret equals, and yeah, and then if it's true, like if the secret is correct, then you get the response. If not, then you get an error, right? So our goal is to use cross-site scripting to steal the other user's secret and use that, right? So I think it says in here somewhere, you need to trick another application user into giving you sensitive information over. If you alert this user, they will become suspicious and simply stop using the application. You can console them by either logging while you perform your test or restarting the entire machine. So I thought it was be pretty easy. I'm just gonna use a Python web server and a cookie stealer and steal their cookie, right? But then it become like that wasn't working. Oh, and the web page isn't loading. Okay. Well, basically that wasn't working, right? And the hint says, okay, the hint says you need to wait 6 seconds so you don't alert them. So this is my original payload right here, which you might find that familiar from this thing. It's just what they had right here, except I replaced the fetch with my IP, my Python server, and then the cookie was secret equals, and then I prepended the local storage.get Adam secret. And so that'll get the secret, but if it doesn't wait 6 seconds, it'll just give you the not secret, right? And that sounds kind of weird, but so basically you need to add a on error, or not on error, but set timeout. So set a timeout for this, and you want to wait 6,000 milliseconds, so 6 seconds, right? And yeah, so if we just come back to here, we can just host a Python server. So I'm just gonna run cookiestealer.py. Just gonna run that real quick. This Python server started, and then I'll take my payload here and input this in the cross-site scripting. So it should get our cookie also, but obviously our cookie isn't what we want. So yeah, not the real secret. Just give it a second and it'll get the right one. Sorry, I'm sick. But, so that it was a super cool one. Super cool task or whatever the fuck. And then yeah, so we get the super secret value, and then it's just as easy as going to your local storage, changing the value of your secret, and then pressing delete, 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 and then I think we want to go to, I think there's like a ping or something. Yeah, we want to go here. So make request to here, and that'll give us a flag. So yeah, it's a pretty easy once you understand it, but if you don't really understand cross-site scripting that well, and JavaScript mainly, and the DOM-based bullshit, then it's gonna be pretty rough. But thanks for watching.